A simple glass of juice, something you can make right now in your kitchen, could cleanse your body, reverse aging signs, clear your skin, boost your immunity, and even lift your mood. Here's the shocking truth. The juices you buy at the store may actually be doing more harm than good. Most of them are loaded with hidden sugars, artificial flavors, and preservatives that silently destroy your health over time. However, nature has given us powerful fruits and vegetables that, when juiced fresh, can heal, rejuvenate, and rebuild your body from the inside out, naturally and effectively. So, stay with me till the end of this video, because I'm about to reveal the best natural juices, their powerful health benefits, and simple, delicious recipes you can easily make at home. No expensive machines, no fancy ingredients, just pure goodness from nature. Hello friends, welcome back to Healthy Horizon. 1. Green Detox Juice, the ultimate body cleanser. This one is for anyone who feels tired, bloated, or sluggish. Green juice is nature's way of pressing the reset button on your body. Why it's powerful? Every ingredient in this juice supports detoxification. The greens help your liver process toxins, while the apples and lemon balance flavor and support digestion. Health benefits: flushes toxins from the liver and kidneys, boosts energy levels, aids weight loss, strengthens immunity, clears up skin blemishes. Simple recipe: 1 cucumber, 2 green apples, a handful of spinach or kale, 1/2 lemon, juice only, 1 small piece of ginger. Blend, strain, and enjoy chilled. This juice doesn't just cleanse your system, it gives you that clean, fresh feeling inside and out. 2. Carrot juice, the secret to naturally glowing skin. Let's start with one of the most underestimated ingredients, the carrot. This bright orange vegetable is more than just a salad ingredient, it's your skin's best friend. Why it's powerful? Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, a nutrient your body converts into vitamin A, the same vitamin used in many expensive anti-aging creams. It protects your skin from sun damage, repairs skin cells, and gives your face a warm, natural glow. Health benefits: improves vision and eye health, strengthens the immune system, detoxifies the liver, fights acne and wrinkles, promotes smoother, radiant skin. Simple recipe: 4 fresh carrots, 1/2 apple for sweetness, a small piece of ginger. Blend everything together. Strain the juice if you want it smoother, and drink it fresh. Drink this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. In just a week, you'll notice your skin tone becoming clearer and more vibrant. 3. Pineapple ginger juice, the tropical anti-inflammatory. This one tastes like sunshine in a glass, but it's also a powerful healing drink. Why it's powerful? Pineapple contains an enzyme called bromelain, which helps reduce inflammation, swelling, and pain. Ginger, on the other hand, boosts your metabolism and improves digestion. Health benefits: reduces body inflammation and joint pain, improves digestion and gut health, strengthens the immune system, supports collagen production for youthful skin. Simple recipe: 1 cup fresh pineapple chunks, 1/2 inch piece of ginger, 1 cup water. Blend and strain. You can add a few mint leaves for freshness. It's the perfect morning pick-me-up that also helps with bloating and body pain. 4. Beetroot juice, the blood builder. If you often feel weak, lightheaded, or low on energy, this juice is your savior. Why it's powerful? Beetroot increases red blood cell production and improves oxygen flow. That's why athletes often drink it before workouts. Health benefits: purifies blood naturally, lowers blood pressure, improves stamina and endurance, boosts brain function and memory, adds a healthy blush to your skin. Simple recipe: 1 medium beetroot, 1 apple, 1/2 carrot, juice of 1/2 lemon. Juice or blend everything. The color is stunning, and so are the results. Drink this before workouts or whenever you need an energy lift. A lifestyle of healing. Your body is a reflection of what you feed it. Every glass of juice is like a gift, filled with vitamins, minerals, and enzymes that your cells crave. You don't have to spend hundreds on skincare or detox kits. The real healing begins in your kitchen, with simple, natural ingredients blended together with love. Start small. Pick one juice a day. Feel the difference in your skin, your mood, and your energy. Because when you nourish your body with nature, nature takes care of the rest.